Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you can find which theme a website is using. If at some instance you like a theme, you visited a website and you like the theme of that website and you are curious to know what is the theme this website is using. So by helping this video I will guide you how you can find out the any website is using which type of theme or what is the theme name of any website to whom you want to know. So guys, if you are new on my channel, so you have to subscribe my channel by clicking here subscribe button, and you have to click the bell icon, so in this way you will get my latest videos notification. So let's start a video. So in this video I will tell you the two methods. I will guide you, I will verify by using both methods, and I will prove that how you can check that the which theme any website is using. So let's start. We have two methods, so I am going to start by using the first method. So first suppose we have these two websites. You can choose any type of two websites. So first you have to go to Google and you have to check WP theme detector. You have to write WP theme detector. So the first link, you have to click on it. After that you can choose, you can spy the theme name of your competitor. I was analyzing the data of my competitors, so I was curious to know what type of theme they are using, what is the name of their theme. So I was searching on this query, so I found these two best methods, so I thought I should share with you guys. So you have to put the URL of any website here and experience the magic of WP theme detector. So it will take 15 to 20 seconds. And after 15 to 20 seconds, it will show that this website is using Sahifa theme, and this is the version 5.6.6, and this is the author of theme Labs and description and Sahifa, and it will show also some information about the theme, that this is one of the top 10 WordPress themes, etc, etc. So if you want to check the second website, I will just paste the URL of website here. So it will again took 10 to 15 seconds, and it will show me the exact name of theme which admin is using for this website. So guys, you can check here. After 10 to 15 seconds, it shows the click bump is the theme name for the down the sync website. So this is the first method, which I told you that this is easy. You just have to search WP theme detector. So you will find it on the very top of the page. This was the first method. So the second method, by using which you can verify, like I open this website, you have to right click here, view page source, and after that the second option, view page source. So you will see there is an HTML coding here, so you have to click Control F. When you will press Control F, you will find a search box here like this, you can see. So you have to write here WP content is themes, THEMES themes. So you can check the highlighted area. So it is showing that this website is using Sahifa WP theme, Sahifa WP, which is verified. Like we also check for this website by using WP theme detector. So it also shows that this website is using Sahifa theme. So this is the second method. So it depends on upon you, so which one you want to use. So these are the two best methods which I found on the internet. So in this way you can find out any competitor's theme for a website which he is using. So guys, hope so you like our video. So if you like my video, you have to click the like button and share with your friends, and if you did not subscribe my channel yet, so you have to subscribe my channel.